Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'll teach you guys how to see or check your Facebook activities. So, before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe and notification onto our channel because we post content like this. And to get notified for a future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So to check your Facebook activity, you can just click on this tree line which is at the top right corner. Then scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Then click on Setting and Privacy and click on Setting, and once you're in Setting you can just scroll down until you see the activity log. So, as you guys can see, the activity log is over here. Click on it. Once you're in the activity log you can scroll down and click on View Activity History, and then all your activity on your Facebook account is going to be shown over here. So yeah, like whoever photos you like on, whose photo you commented, who's something you interacted with. It's all going to be shown over here. So yeah, that's how you check your Facebook activity. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.